Good night, teacher and classmates. My name is William Arias. I belong to the Logistics Administration program, and this is my presentation about Bogota. Bogota is the capital of the Republic of Colombia and also the capital of the Cundinamarca department. It is located in the center of Colombia in the natural region known as the Savanna of Bogota, and according to the 2018 census, it has a population of more than 7,200,000 inhabitants. Bogota is the third highest capital in South America after Quito and La Paz, since it is an average of 2,625 meters above sea level. It has a total area of 1,775 square kilometers, an urban area of 170 square kilometers, and a rural area of 1,298 square kilometers. Bogota enjoys an almost perfect climate with average temperatures varying from 9 to 23 degrees centigrade. Due to its location near the equator, it has only 4 main seasons, 2 of rain and 2 of dry season. Rainfall is abundant from March to May and from October to November. According to the Ministry of Education, in Bogota there are 2,242 educational institutions. 386 of these districts, 10 of special regime, and 1,846 of a private nature. As for higher education, Bogota has more than 113 universities between public and private. Bogota has in its territory the Sumapaz wasteland, the largest in the world, located in the town of Sumapaz, to which it gave its name. Its almost extensive river in Bogota is the Bogota River, which for several decades presents high levels of pollution, and therefore the city government has led several decontamination projects. Other important rivers in the city are the Tunjuelo River, which runs to the south of the city, the San Francisco, the Fucha, the Juan Amarillo or Salitre, which in turn flow into the Bogota River. The Thomas van der Hamen Forest Reserve is an environmental protection area of the Bogota Savanna and is named after Colombian Dutch geologist Thomas van der Hamen, who dedicated years of study in that area. The protected area has 1,395 hectares located in the north of Bogota. According to statistics, the city has reduced its homicides constantly since 2016 and has the lowest rate in 40 years. But personally, I think that insecurity has worsened over the course of this year due to the economic situation and the breakdown of the peace process. Um, Due to the situation in Venezuela, I believe that the immigration of Venezuelans to Colombia has become a public health problem, affecting among many factors that of the security. Thanks.